Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to exit save mode in Windows 11. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to search for your task manager. Now go to your taskbar and click the right button of your mouse. Here you can see task manager. You have to go for it. Now here you can see run new task. Click on it. Now here you have to write for NSCONFIG. Now click on OK. Now here you can see the option of boot. You have to click on this. Now you have to uncheck this save boot. Now click on apply and OK. Now you have to restart your PC. So this is how you can exit save mode in Windows 11. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.